Hello, I'm Buki Cobson, mom of 3, married to Damis, that's my sister-in-law. I'm also a GP doctor. So today we're going to make Ayamase or Ofada sauce, I don't know, whatever you call it. So we have the ingredients here. First thing here is the pepper mix. It's a blended green bell pepper with scotch bonnet and habanero. We've boiled it and it's ready to be fried. And we've got our red onions here. We've got our stock catfish. We've got our iru here, or you can also call it what do they call iru again? Locust bean or something. Yeah, locust bean. And here is liver. And here is shaki or towel. And here is drumstick chicken that was grilled. So the oil from the grilled drumstick chicken is what we have here. So we'll take you through the step-by-step of making Ayamase. Come with us and we hope you have a good time. We bleached palm oil earlier on, so we're going to start by warming it up and then we'll start frying. So I didn't add salt because I put locust bean, and iru can make things salty. So I put Maggi there and the meat and the grilled chicken oil. I'm gonna have a taste of it. If it needs salt, then I'll add salt. But I'm not usually a fan of adding salt when there's iru in something. Come along with us. So now it kind of needs a little bit of salt, but just be careful anytime there's locust bean in your soup to be very watchful with the amount of salt that you're gonna add to it. Come on, there you go.
Thanks. Thank you, Auntie Buki. I'm ready to record you.
With the cup of drink. This is what you call
Auntie Buki. Oh my God.
I better pass my neighbor.
Nigeria and UK.